Here we go, we're going out to the shooting range. Everybody laugh at me.
Hello.
Okay, so we're gonna go around this way so you guys can just see what we do. We're gonna go last. Okay, we're gonna skip Leo for now. So it's me, Marco, Steve, Christy, Josh. Yeah, the first guy to get it in all the way doesn't have to drink all of it.
Make up for it.
Oh, Steve!
You asked to do an LDR.
Don't do this.
It's gonna fall out.
It's gonna fall out.
Can drink. All except for kids.
Yeah. Cheers.
I was like, yeah.
Cheers, guys.
What is that?
Okay, we're having beef steaks and then pap and sheba and then some salad.
Yes.
Yeah. So the pap, I heard you already had some.
Yeah.
You know it's not grits. So yeah, go ahead and dish up.
doesn't care that much.
You got a big one. You caught a tree.
En Marco is wel vast.
Whoa.
Kijk, waar is het? Wie gaan we hier?
That's a big one. Oh, wait, so I'm not gonna shoot it? Well, I know, but I'm not gonna shoot
Let that run.
Then Steve fell. I was dragging him, holding the knife and the gun through the bush when this ran out. I set Steve down, shot the Impala at the same time, grabbed it by the neck and dragged both of them out to this point right here so we could get the pictures.
That's just about the long and the short.
Basically now,
Thank you very much.
basically now,
My life.
Steve owes me a flight. Yeah.
Okay, well, straight face.
Yeah, sorry.
Well, Josh, congratulations. We found your Impala this morning.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, we made a shot in Impala yesterday afternoon, just before dark. Started tracking it some, and darkness caught up to us. So we left it for the morning. The trackers came out early this morning, and they actually found where the Impala had died, and a leopard had got onto it and dragged it some way off and started eating some of the meat off the back. So it helped us out a little. We've got to thank the leopard.
We do. The leopard, yeah, the leopard helped us out quite a bit. Yeah.
Well,
Thank you so much.
congratulations.
No, it was great. Thank
We
you
got
so
your
much.
Impala, and well
You did.
done.
Thank you. Thanks to everybody here. It was a great hunt, Steve. Thank you.
Pleasure.
We're like, no, just leave your guns at home.
I don't understand.
I know, I saw it. It's an awesome hunt, but we'll see if we can get one.
I'm going to the shooting range to see if I can hunt the warthog, to try to perfect my aim. So
Are you excited, bud?
I'm very excited.
He didn't think he was going to be able to shoot something when we came to
I
Africa.
didn't think I would be able
So
to shoot anything.
this is a super bonus.
Yes.
Yeah, he's
Definitely.
fired up.
That's exactly on my spot.
Exactly on this spot.
Take one more shot with it. That one in there.
It's literally even better than a 22.
Yeah. It's ready to go.
Half inch left.
Oh, it was really fun So we went to the shooting range and I shot like 4 shots to see if I was on aim, and I was. So we came out here, sat here for, what was it, like an hour probably?
Hour and a half probably.
Hour and a half. And then this guy came in and was sitting here in front of us for like most of the hour and a half, and then right as we were about to shoot it, it got behind a bunch of buffalo, and the buffalo kept walking around it, and so we weren't able to get a good shot off. And so finally it ran away from the buffalo and was standing like broadside right next, how many yards away do you think it was?
About 40 yards.
40 yards.
Yeah.
So yeah, 40 yards, and then we shot it, or I shot it, and then killed it.
Through the fence, huh? It was a great
Yeah.
shot. Great shot, son.
Right here, right behind the
back
shoulder. Yep. And skinned its heart.
So is this your, how many animals have you killed now?
My first one.
Your first one?
Other than a rat, this is my first animal killed. So,
That's awesome.
yeah. Thank you so much, guys.
It's our pleasure.
Yes. Eli, this is awesome. Eli, true initiation. Just like Gramps kissing the fish, right?
Yeah.
I'd like to look at both.
Okay.